talking about money, whether you're skint, splashing out, or complaining about the price of petrol. Brits love a good moan about cash. In today's lesson, you'll learn another 5 popular British idioms about money and spending that you can use in everyday conversations. Welcome back to your daily cup of English. I'm Jimmy, and this is lesson 6 of our British idiom speaking course. If you haven't seen the earlier episodes, go back and check them. Each one is packed with natural phrases to boost your fluency. There is a link above here somewhere. I think it's over here. I think that's where it is. And you can go back and watch the whole course. In today's idioms are all about money, from being broke to finding a bargain. But first, I'll go over the meanings. Then you'll hear them in a fun and realistic conversation. And finally, we'll practice speaking with them together. So don't forget, like, subscribe, and ring that bell so you never miss a lesson. So let's jump into our 5 idioms. Idiom number 1, skint. Skint, meaning having no money. No money. Idiom number 2, cost a bomb. Cost a bomb, meaning very expensive. Idiom number 3, splash out, meaning to spend a lot of money on something special. Idiom number 4, penny pincher, someone who is very frugal or tight with money. Idiom number 4, or number 5 I should say, bang for your buck, meaning good value for money. We like that. Now, on to the speaking part. Let me tell you how the speaking part works. Part 1, listen only. You will hear a conversation using all 5 idioms. Pay attention to the tone and the context. In part 2, it's your turn to speak. One side of the conversation will be muted. I want you to read that muted part out. The words will come up on the screen and read them out aloud as if you and I are having a conversation. And then in part 3, we swap roles. I will say what you said and you will say what I said. This will give you a full interactive experience with this conversation. Now, on to our conversation. And today's is money. Now, you and I have been shopping for the day and we're now having a conversation after our shopping day. Are you ready? Here we go. You bought those trainers. Weren't they a bit pricey?
Yeah. They cost a bomb, but I couldn't resist.
You really splashed out today. I'm surprised. You're usually such a penny pincher.
Haha, true. But these are limited edition. Honestly, I think I got real bang for my buck.
Fair enough. I'd buy them too, if I wasn't completely skint right now. You bought those trainers. Weren't they a bit pricey? You really splashed out today. I'm surprised. You're usually such a penny pincher. Fair enough. I'd buy them too, if I wasn't completely skint right now. Yeah, they cost a bomb, but I couldn't resist. True, but these are limited editions. Honestly, I think I got a real bang for my buck. Nice one. You have just learnt 5 brilliant idioms to talk about money. The British way. Use them next time you're chatting about shopping, saving, or even spending money. A bit of a challenge for you. Write a comment using one of today's idioms. And bonus points if it's about a time you regretted or loved splashing out. Like, subscribe, and hit that bell, because in lesson 7, we're checking in on your health. Get ready for idioms about being sick, recovering, and feeling right as rain. And I'll see you in the next video. Ta-da!